In this video, you will see the process to configure Classroom in LearniCo. Firstly, click on the Profile option. You can see the options like Management, Learning Assistant, Configuration, Upload Institute logo, etc. To configure Classroom, click on Configuration option. After clicking, you will see the options like Classroom, Subject, Teachers, Students and Add Parameter. As we have to configure the classroom, click on Classroom option. You can see that already 2 classrooms are configured here. Let's configure new classroom now. Click on the Option tab. You can see 2 options, Download Template and Upload Classroom. Click on Download Template option. The template will be downloaded. Now open the Excel sheet and you will see that 2 classrooms that were already configured are there in the sheet. Now let's add the new classroom. You have to insert the information like classroom code, classroom name, classroom short name, description about the classroom and standard. After inserting, save the file. Now go to LearniCo and click on the Option tab. This time we have to click on Upload Classroom option and upload the Excel sheet which we have saved. You can now see the new classroom that is created. You can also edit and update the information by clicking on the Edit option. You can even delete the classroom if you want. In this way, you can configure new classroom in LearniCo.